Buy with confidence. With Monoprice's lifetime warranty on all cables, you can rest assured we stand behind our products and our customers. 48 gigabits per second bandwidth. These cables are guaranteed to carry bandwidth-intensive loads and guaranteed to prevent handshake issues, snow, etc. Perceived hardware issues can be solved by fully supporting high bandwidth-dependent features, such as Dynamic HDR, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and DTS X. Dynamic HDR. Dynamic HDR ensures every moment of a video is displayed at its ideal values for depth, detail, brightness, contrast, and wider color gamuts, optimized on a scene-by-scene or even a frame-by-frame basis. Supports 8K at 60 Hz. 8K at 60 Hz resolution means a more immersive viewing experience with sharper high-speed content. The resulting ultra-fast and sharp images are great for sports, high-performance gaming, and VR. eARC, Enhanced Audio Return Channel. eARC supports the most advanced audio formats, such as object-based audio, which provides an immersive multidimensional experience. The enhanced audio detail and depth can position audio events from movie soundtracks in 3D space. Top reviews from the United States. Always reliable. I have used Monoprice cables many times before and they never disappoint. Works as expected. Good quality.